Assalamu alaikum dear students, and a very good morning to all of you. Hope all of you are well. So kids, welcome to the class again. I am your science teacher and my name is Nida Sahar. So dear students, today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter 5, How Teeth Work. This chapter is going to be very interesting. The main points which we are going to discuss in today's lecture include: we are going to talk about milk teeth, permanent teeth, kinds of teeth, and structure of a tooth. So let's get started. So kids, this chapter is on page 37. I have highlighted the main points and I'm also going to read the chapter. So let's start. Our teeth have to bear cutting and grinding of food for whole life. A good set of teeth will make us look nice. We must look after them so that they last a lifetime. Okay. Now milk teeth. The teeth of a newborn baby are hidden below the gums. The baby cannot chew solid food. It can only drink milk and liquids. When the baby is about 6 months old, the teeth start appearing. By the time the baby is about 3 years, baby has 20 teeth. These teeth are called milk teeth. Our milk teeth show our adult teeth where to grow. Without them, our adult teeth will not grow properly. We must take care of milk teeth. So kids, as we are talking about the teeth, can you tell me the main functions of teeth? Teeth help us in cutting, grinding, and chewing of food. Kids, can we eat different delicious food without our teeth? No, because teeth help us in cutting and grinding of food. A good set of teeth will make us look nice. Neat, clean, and sparkling teeth make us look good. Our teeth also help in speaking clearly. So kids, let's talk about the milk teeth. Kids, when a baby is born, the teeth of a newborn baby are hidden below the gums. As you can see in this animation, these are the gums and there is a tooth which is hidden below the gums. The baby cannot chew solid foods. It can only drink milk and other liquids and some semi solid food. When the baby is about 6 months old, the teeth start appearing. Here you can see these little set of teeth. When the baby is around 6 months, his or her first tooth start appearing. These teeth are called milk teeth. Now why they are called milk teeth? Because they are temporary teeth. They fall off at some certain age. So that's why they are called milk teeth and they are also known as temporary teeth. Our milk teeth show that where our adult teeth will grow. Without them, our adult teeth will not grow properly. We must take care of our milk teeth. And how can we take care of our milk teeth? By brushing them properly and avoiding candies and sweet things. Now again on page 37, permanent teeth. At the age of 6, the milk teeth start falling out. New teeth appear in their place. These are called permanent teeth. If looked after well, These teeth will last a lifetime, but if we do not look after them properly, we can lose these teeth. No new teeth will appear in their place. So kids, when do permanent teeth appear? When at the age of 6, the milk teeth start falling out, new teeth appear in their places. These teeth are called permanent teeth. You all have passed through this phase when the teeth start falling out and the new teeth appear in those places. These new teeth are known as permanent teeth. Kids, do you know there are 32 permanent teeth which appear by the age of 21. Now on page 38, kinds of teeth. Our teeth cut, tear and grind food. Teeth have special shapes to do these jobs. Kids, feel your teeth with your tongue. Do they have different shapes? Yes, try it. Yes, they have different shapes because they have to do different jobs. On the basis of their functions, there are three main types of teeth: incisors, canines, and molars and premolars. So let's read out incisors. Our front teeth are our cutting teeth. These are called incisors. They have a sharp edge and are good for cutting. We have 8 incisors, 4 above and 4 below. Now canines. Next to our cutting teeth are tearing teeth called canines. They are slightly pointed and are used for tearing and biting. We have 4 canines. Now the third type, premolars and molars. The teeth at the back of our mouth crush and grind food into small pieces, small enough to swallow. These are the premolars and molars. An adult has 8 premolars and 12 molars. So kids, here you can clearly see the kinds of teeth in your mouth. The front teeth in the upper jaw and in the lower jaw are called incisors. They are cutting teeth and there are 8 incisors in your mouth. 4 in the upper jaw and 4 in the lower jaw. Right after the incisors, there are slightly pointed teeth. Can you feel them? These pointed teeth are called canines and they are used for biting or tearing the food. Right? And we have 4 canines. Now after the canines there are premolars and at the back there are molars. These teeth are helpful in crushing and grinding of food. An adult has 8 premolars and 12 molars. Clear? Okay, now I am going to show you the kinds of teeth one by one. So the first type is incisors. Front cutting teeth are called incisors. As you can see in the picture, they have sharp edges which are helpful in cutting food. So the 4 front teeth in both the upper and lower jaws are called incisors and their primary function is to cut food. Clear? And that's how an incisor look like. Here comes the second type of teeth, canines. Next to the cutting teeth are tearing teeth called canines. And that's how a canine look like. They are slightly pointed and they are the sharpest teeth in our mouth. There are 4 canines in a human mouth, 2 in the upper jaw and 2 in the lower jaw. They are behind and adjacent to the incisors. And what is their main function? Their main function is to tear the food. Clear? Here comes the premolars and molars. The teeth at the back of our mouth are called premolars and molars. Their function is to crush and grind food into small pieces so that it can be swallowed easily. Right? An adult has 8 premolars and 12 molars. And what is their function? Once the food is broken down, it is then chewed before the food is swallowed. Premolars and molars play a vital role in the process of grinding and crushing food. Right? So kids, do you ever wonder what teeth are made up of? Human teeth are made up of 4 different types of tissues. Number 1, enamel. Number 2, dentine. Number 3, pulp. Number 4, cementum. Teeth consist mostly of hard minerals like calcium. They also contain nerves, blood vessels, and specialized cells. But they are not bones. They look like bones, but they are not bones because teeth do not have the power to regrow. Bones do. They can grow back if they are broken, but teeth cannot grow back together if broken. So human teeth are made up of 4 different types of tissues: enamel, dentine, pulp, and cementum. Okay, on page 39, here you can see the structure of a tooth. Here you can see the 4 tissues. Number 1 is enamel, that is the uppermost layer. Then the second one is the dentine, pulp, and the pulp is the innermost portion of the tooth and consists of connective tissues, nerves, and blood vessels which nourish the tooth. Clear? So these are the tissues that make up a tooth. So kids, here you can see another picture of a tooth. A tooth has 4 layers. Enamel is the outer hard protective covering. The crown of the tooth, it covers the crown of the tooth, right? As you can see in the picture, the top layer is the hard protective outer layer covering the crown of the tooth. Then the second layer, dentine, is the second protective layer covering the nerve of the tooth. As you can see the slightly pink part, that is dentine. It is the second protective layer covering the nerve of the tooth. And just after the enamel you can see the cementum. This is the lower part of the tooth which is inside the gums. And the innermost part of the tooth is pulp. As you can see in the picture, this is the dark pink which also showing nerves and blood vessels. This is the pulp. Pulp is the soft middle of the tooth that has a blood supply and nerve endings. The pulp is the innermost portion of the tooth and consists of connective tissues, nerves, and blood vessels which nourish the tooth. Clear? So the first part is the enamel, that is the outer protective covering. Second, dentine, and then inner part of the enamel is called cementum, and the innermost part of the tooth which is present inside the gums is pulp. Clear? So kids, do you know who are the dentists? The doctor who looks after people's teeth is called a dentist. The doctor who treats your teeth are known as dentist. Okay kids, on page 34 there is some information. Do you know the surface of teeth is the hardest part of our body? Yes, it is the hardest part of our body. Okay, number 2, the doctor who looks after people's teeth is called dentist, as I have discussed earlier. Number 3, our teeth also help us in speaking clearly. Okay, number 4, there are 32 permanent teeth which appear by the age of 21. Okay kids, now you are going to read the page 37 and 38 thoroughly, and you are going to underline main points. And I am sure after watching this video you would be able to tell what are milk teeth, what are permanent teeth, how many kinds of teeth are there, what is the function of incisors. Can you tell the functions of canine? How many incisors, canines, premolars and molars are present in our mouth? So kids, that is all for the today's lecture, and I'm sure everything is well understood. In the next lecture, I will discuss the remaining part of the chapter, and I'm going to discuss book exercises with you. So kids, see you in the next class. Till then, all of you stay home, stay safe and study hard. And yes, brush properly and regularly. So kids, take care and Allah Hafiz.